If you want to learn coding on your phone, you need the right apps. In this video, I am going to give you the top 5 completely free that I used every day. I am Sani Ismail. Today we are breaking down the 5 best coding apps for Android beginners. Let's get started. Number 1 is Termux, the most powerful coding apps on Android. It turns your phone into full Linux terminal. You can list all the folder by using ls cd into your folder, creating a new folder mkdir. You can create a file by using touch file.txt. You can write using nano. Here it is. You can write anything you like for example, this is the first line, control plus O and enter, and control X to exit. This is a Termux. You can run Python also inside it, like Python. You can now run any code, like for example 34 plus 56, print hello world, print hello on the rest. You can also install packages. Let me exit. You can install packages in it. You can also use Git, like for example if you use cd into another folder like this, you can see there is a Git inside, ls-a. You see here it is, .git. You can host even local server all from phone. It looks scary first, but don't worry, I have a full tutorial on this coming soon. For now, just download it from F-Droid, not the Play Store version. The F-Droid version is more up to date. Number 2 app is Acode. This is Acode Editor. This is my favorite code editor on Android. It supports over 50 programming languages. It has syntax highlighting. Feels almost like you are in VS Code on a phone. You can open folders. You can see all these are folders, so we can open all the folders and see the files. You can even create a new file, index.html. for example, you see my portfolio, for example, h1 and Ismail. This is my portfolio. You can save and open to see it. This is it. You can open folders, edit multiple files, and even connect it to your local server. If you are writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript or Python, Acode is where you will spend most of your time. The number 3 is Replit. This is it. This one is cloud-based, meaning your code runs on their servers, not your phones. So even if your phone is slow, your code still runs fast. It supports almost every language. It has an AI assistant built in. The project here is one of the projects I have started. You can create new ones here. Here it is. So we can prompt the AI assistant to help us build any website, mobile app, any design, slide animation, data visualization, 3D games, document, spreadsheet, and what have you. You can share your projects. You can import from GitHub. It is perfect for beginners who just want to start coding without any setup. The number 4 is Spck Editor. This one is specifically great for web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, we can have our own file and folder. You can create file, for example, index.html. Here it is. We can open it. Here is a boilerplate that we can start. for example H1. Here it is, my portfolio. Here is my portfolio that I have created. After you have written you can now view it by playing this. Here it is. Also you can create all your files like CSS file, JavaScript file, and link them together and build whatsoever website you want to build. Spck Editor is great. What makes it special is the live preview feature. You can press this live, you write your code and instantly see the result on the same screen. If you are learning web development on your phone, Spck Editor is one of the best tools you can use. The number 5 is GitHub. GitHub Mobile. Every serious coder needs GitHub. It is where you store your codes, collaborate with us, and build your portfolio. This is my GitHub. As you can see here, I can see all my top repositories. Here they are. Here are my repos. It is where we store our code, collaborate with others, and build all our portfolios. The mobile app lets you view your repositories. Though all these are my repos, you can review the codes. You can review all our codes. For example, this one, you see, all these are the code. We can manage issues and even make small edits, like for example, can edit the file. Here is it. You can edit it and commit on the GitHub Mobile. Once you start building project, this becomes essential. To summarize, Termux for your terminal, Acode for your editor, Replit for cloud coding, Spck Editor for web development, GitHub to store and share everything. All 5 work on Android. Together they give you everything you need to code professionally from your phone. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below. Which app are you downloading first? I read every comment. See you in the next one.